I'm logged into Oventy and this is my homepage, and I'm going to create my first event. I'll call it Friday Dinner and Social, and we'll select our location and enter the date and time. I'm going to create this as a public unlisted event. This means that anyone can join the event, but only if they've got the link to it. The event won't be listed in our public database. I'm going to skip the invites for now and just create the event. Then go to the event page and I'm going to click the edit icon. I can now add a cover picture for the event by clicking up here and then selecting my picture or dragging and dropping. And I can add a description containing any additional details for the event. On the right, you can see registration conditions, which allow me to control how people can join this event. The first one is whether anyone can join or whether they require approval, and there's a sub option to choose between allowing any attendee to approve or just hosts. Requires a password allows you to set a password, and you can actually set up multiple passwords and you can put a usage limit on each. 0 means unlimited use. Max attendees allows you to set a cap on the number of people that can join the event, and there's optional waitlisting functionality. Questionnaire allows you to create a registration questionnaire or survey that attendees need to complete when they say they're going to your event. So in this example, I'm going to use it to collect menu choices from people. I'll add a radio question to get people's choice of starter, and I'll add my 3 options: soup, pate or prawns, and I'll make this a required question. In the interest of time, I'll skip the main and dessert options, but I will add a place for people to let me know about any special dietary requirements that they may have, and I'll leave that as an optional field. You can add as many questions as you like, and there's several different types of questions you can choose from. So whatever sort of information you need to collect for your event, you can do so with our questionnaires. Finally, there's a requires payment option. This allows you to collect payments either directly into your own PayPal account, or you can use it to manually keep track of who's paid and who hasn't if you've got people giving you cash or using bank transfers. So now we've got our event all set up, it's time to invite people. I'm going to go back to the Home tab and click Invite. For anyone who I'm already connected with on Oventy, I can invite them as individuals, or I can invite an entire circle. For people I'm not yet connected with, I've got a couple of options. I can invite people by email, just enter their email addresses separated by a comma, and we'll send them an email inviting them to your event. And as I created this as a public event, I can also simply share the public link with people by email, Facebook, or any other means. I should point out that the people you invite don't need to create an Oventy account. They're able to respond as a guest, so you're not restricted to only using this for people who are already on Oventy.